Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while I made this kind of tutorials. Today's topic is just going to be about how I slick down my natural 4C hair. To start up, I'm just going to start by loosening my hair one after the other. After loosening my hair, in its wet state, I try as much as possible to detangle it by combing it in its wet state so as to avoid breakage. I'm going to secure the hair together by banding it so I can focus on the front part. I'm not going to be rubbing any gel at the back part, but I'm just going to focus on the front part. I'm going to start by parting my hair and choosing the part I want for this style. Now I'm going to work in sections. Please don't mind my horribly looking baby hair. I'm going to wet my hair with leave-in conditioner. I had to mix leave-in conditioner and water in my spray bottle. Now I'm going to go in with my Eco Cocktail. It's a product of Eco Style Gel. It's a cream and gel together. This product after using it, I didn't really like the effect. It doesn't have any hold whatsoever, although it stated that it's both cream and gel, but I didn't like it, and it leaves a white residue and compared to the normal gel. So I would advise you stick with the normal Eco Styling Gel. Because I don't know, the hold is not fantastic. There's nothing special about it. I don't know if it's my kind of hair, but so now for the second part, I'm going to work in sections because this part is big and I cannot just go at once. So now I'm using the Eco Styling Gel, not the cocktail, the normal Eco Styling Gel. And I'm going to go in with my denim brush. I love this brush because it holds the hair properly and combs it very well, like it does the job properly. Now I'm going to work on another section. The reason why I'm dividing it and I'm not just going at once because I want to avoid having a puffy look, like, you know, my hair is short and it's a natural hair, so it tends to puff up if you go at once. I just thought I should try the Eco Cocktail again if it would make any difference. But after trying it on the second section, I didn't really like it. I would have just continued with the Eco Styling Gel like I did for the first one, but I'm just going to end it like to the last one with the normal Eco Styling Gel. So I advise you just stick with a clear gel, not anything you don't know. I'm going to detangle my hair because this is the last portion. I wouldn't want it to have any bump or lump somewhere or any hair that is just sticking out and that is not slicking down, because this hair, you gotta slay, man. Now I'm going to go in with a little Eco Styling gel on both parts because I don't trust the other part where I used only the Eco Cocktail. So I'm just going to go in with my denim brush. As you can see, whenever I go in with my denim brush, there's this white stuff that comes out. It's from the Eco Cocktail and I really do not like that. But what do? I can't do anything, so I'll just continue for tutorial's sake. Now you know what to use. I'm just going to fold the back of my hair halfway. I'm not going to bring it out totally. Now I'm going in with my hair wax. This is called the Easier Wax hair wax stroke mod. So this is the product that does the magic. It holds your hair. I don't know, head control does not work for me. This is what does the magic. This is where the magic happens. I'm just going to apply it at the top part of my hair and work with the brush and brush it properly. Now I'm going in with a toothbrush. I'm going to wet the front and also take a little of the Easier Wax and really work on my edges, my baby hair, to give it that baby look. You know, this is the only thing that can lay my edges, like lay it. It should lay it. I don't even need to tie it down. That's how good this wax is. After laying this hair, this is just what it would look like. So you can decide to take it to the next level by just adding something to your hair, or whatever hair extension of your choice. It could be a Marley hair, it could be a wave on, it could be a clipping, it could be whatever you want. But this time I decided to use a Marley hair that I have, just do something with it. Just wrap it around, divide it into two, wrap it around, because this would blend with my hair.
Mr. YD and the console.
This is just a simple go-to quick hairstyle you can just make at home. It doesn't take time. I just thought I should add something, maybe a clip, put a twist to the hairstyle. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I love you. Bye.